In this video tutorial, I will show you how to trim video in CapCut PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. The first step is to place the video you want to trim into the timeline. Zoom into your project for a clearer view. You can do this by moving to the right side of the interface to enlarge the view. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+ to zoom in and Ctrl to zoom out. To start trimming, move your cursor to the beginning or end of the video clip. You'll notice the cursor changes to a symbol with two arrows and a line. Click and hold this, then drag it to the point where you want to trim your video. This method is ideal for removing unneeded sections at the start or end of your clip. Release the mouse button to complete the trim. Another way to trim is by placing the cursor at the desired point on the video timeline. Then, you can either click the split button or press Ctrl+B to make a cut. To remove a specific segment, make another cut to isolate the part you want to delete. Select the segment, then click on the bin icon or press the delete key to remove it. These are just a couple of methods to trim videos in CapCut. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you found this tutorial useful.